So in the last video, we learned the very basic of HTML, adding some basic details into the code. Today, however, we'll be going slightly deeper into what we learned previously. Today in this video, I'll be introducing you to HTML links, how to work with them, and as promised in the first video, we'll be learning about the different headings present. I'm Mohammad Hamza, and without further ado, let's dive straight in. The purpose for HTML having links as a topic is very basic and simple. That is to directly access some page or a website or anything that you like directly with no disturbance in between. For now, we'll only be learning how to add links that directly take you to several renowned websites. We'll soon learn how to add links that will lead you or direct you to a specific place within that specific website. Before starting with links, you need to know the code that leads to them. You should be well aware of the href code, which specifies the URL of the page that link goes to. Add an equals to sign after href and two apostrophes with their cursor being in between. Start off typing with https two colons and two right-faced slashes. This is where you start typing your URL. For example, I will be using Google's URL, that is www.google.com. Now just like you add a right-faced slash in the end of an ending tag, you have to add another right-faced slash in the end of the URL, basically before the end last apostrophe. Add a lesser than sign after the last apostrophe and therefore your opening tag is complete. Now since I'm using an id over here, the id automatically generates the closing tag. Type google.com in between or whatever you like so that it's clear where the link leads to. Now that we are done with the links, we need to understand the signs between different headings after H1, that is from H1 to H6. There is a basic purpose to index the structure and the content of your website. H1 indicates the most important heading, while H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 are subheadings. Typically, this is how each heading element looks like. Now, when building a professional website, all of the heading elements won't be present together just like they are right now. They will be present in different places according to the requirements in the website. Now, for those of you curious to know how the code works, the screen is right in front of you. We have our headings, the paragraph and the Google link. To confirm if the code works, you can copy the code that I typed in for the link previously. Always remember, coding is all about practice. Unless you practice, that is only when you'll be perfect with it. If you do not practice, you'll have every single thing messed up in your mind. Thanks a lot for your time. Share this video with as many people as possible to spread the knowledge. And I'll catch you in the next one.